everyone. Myself Mrs. Pavanjit Kaur from Cedar Spring High School. Today we are celebrating International World Heart Day. This day was created by World Heart Federation to aware the people about cardiovascular diseases. The cardiovascular diseases are related to the heart diseases. The heart symbol is known as a ideograph of the heart because it represents the center of emotion, affection and love. Next is regarding the functions of heart. So heart is the one of the important organ of our body because it circulates the blood and nutrients to all parts of the body. So next is the structure of heart. The basic structure of heart is four-chambered heart. In heart, there is two auricles and two ventricles. The auricles are right and left auricles, as well as the ventricle are also right and left ventricles. So these auricles and ventricles are act as a four chambers which are meant for the circulation of the blood in all parts of the body. So next is circulation of heart. In heart, the blood goes from the heart to lungs, then to heart and then to body, and again it comes to the heart. So next about the cardiovascular diseases. Cardio word is used for the heart. Cardiovascular diseases are those which are related to the heart, blood vessels as well as the veins. This is a list of few cardiovascular diseases, but out of these, heart attack and stroke is one of the common problem. In heart attack and stroke, there is a sudden blockage in the arteries of the heart as well as the brain. Next is factor for the cardiovascular diseases. So most common are the high blood pressure, high cholesterol level as well as the excessive use of tobacco as well as the alcohol. But few diseases are due to the family history of heart diseases. So next is symptoms of cardiovascular diseases. In these problems, there is chest tightness, difficulty in catching the breath, there is a fatigue as well as the fluid buildup in the body. So next is first aid for heart attack. If you feel a person is unconscious and the pulse is not found, you will go for a CPR. CPR is a cardiopulmonary resuscitation in which there is a 100 to 120 compressions are given to a patient. Next, how to take care of the heart. Control your blood pressure, eat a healthy diet, don't smoke, manage the stress, because the heart is one of the most important organ of our body, because the heart feels the things that the eyes cannot see and it understands the things the mind cannot understand. Thank you.